So recently on Kung Fu Maintenance, been exploring different air conditioners. Do they require a single pole contactor or can they use a dual pole contactor? Today we're looking at the pros and cons of each type of contactor. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, I wanted to discuss a little bit on the pros and cons of single pole versus dual pole contactors. Single pole and dual pole contactors, they both use 240 voltage, or that's what I'm discussing today anyway. There are other applications that use different voltages, but just discussing a comparison of the 240 voltage contactors. Basically, the single pole contactor has a one solid arm side where there's always constant power, and the disadvantage there, or one disadvantage there, is that you've got constant power all the time on one side to different things, and so it has a different component, a different danger component, in that there's constant power. The advantage to that is that you have one less set of points to wear out, or half of the amount of an area that can wear out over time. It's likely that the solid side very rarely wears out because it doesn't have any moving parts. It's just a constant connection. The dual pole contactor, its advantage is that it cuts off power completely on the top half of the contactor, the line and the load, or the the L1 to T1 or L2 to T2. And so in a sense it may be a bit safer, especially for ground units that are on the ground versus units that are on a roof or hidden away, although it's debatable. But so the dual pole contactor cuts off power to most of the unit, except for crankcase heaters. If the units are equipped with a crankcase heater, usually that's connected to the bottom of the contactor, and it would have constant power going to it, which is usually around the compressor, but which is often sealed within the unit, or located around the compressor inside the condenser. Anyway, that's a bit about the differences and the pros and cons of single pole versus dual pole contactors. If you think of something else, other differences or other points to add to this, please do leave them in the comments below. It'd be pretty cool. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over now. I did a bunch of videos exploring the requirements, units that require single pole or dual pole contactors, looking at the wiring diagrams on each of them. I was at an Amana, Janitrol's, Goodman's, Duroguards, York, and just exploring a little bit on what the options are. It's kind of nice to have different options. It's kind of nice to know what components a system can use, and I went into that in a bunch of videos on that subject. Can an air conditioner use a dual pole or a single pole contactor? Alright, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and take part in the discussion down in the comments below. If you want to add anything there about contactors or other air conditioning subjects, that'd be cool. Thanks for watching.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. So links to parts, products, and tools shown in the videos can be found in the links below. Hope to be bringing you better and better videos, and I make a small commission on anything you order through there, so it helps me to help support what I do. Thanks for watching. Hope you gained some nice ground using the knowledge you gained from watching Kung Fu Maintenance videos. So muriatic acid is what's most commonly used to lower pH in pools and spas, and I go over it much more in depth in other videos. Again, a lot of different ways that can be done to affect alkalinity and to lower the pH in pools and spas. So I cover that much more in other Kung Fu maintenance videos. Definitely an in-depth subject, pool water chemistry. Again, that's why people get CPO certified, and that's why it's a test that's required every 5 years or has to be renewed after 5 years, because pool water chemistry is that in-depth. The industry is always in a state of change, and there's always more and more to understand to keep everything